Holiday crafts are a wonderful way to celebrate the seasons, bringing creativity and joy into homes and classrooms alike. Among the most cherished traditions are making Halloween masks, crafting Christmas ornaments, and decorating Easter eggs. Each activity offers a chance to gather with family and friends, share stories, and express individual artistry. Whether you're working with young children, crafting solo, or hosting a festive workshop, these projects invite everyone to join in the spirit of the holidays. Halloween is a time for playful spooks and imaginative disguises, and making masks is at the heart of the fun. Begin with simple supplies: sturdy cardstock, scissors, glue, paint, and elastic string. The possibilities are endless, from classic monsters and friendly ghosts to whimsical animals and favorite storybook characters. Start by sketching the outline of your mask, carefully cutting out eye holes and shaping the edges. Then, unleash your creativity. With vibrant paints, glitter, and textured materials, like feathers or faux fur, add finishing touches with stickers, sequins, or even glow-in-the-dark accents for that extra eerie effect. Once dry, attach the elastic string so the mask fits comfortably. As children slip on their handmade creations, watch their imaginations come alive, ready for trick-or-treating or a festive parade. As autumn gives way to winter, the anticipation of Christmas fills homes with warmth and excitement. Crafting ornaments is a tradition that brings both nostalgia and innovation. Gather materials such as colored paper, felt, beads, ribbon, and air-dry clay. One delightful project is making paper snowflakes. Fold a sheet of white paper, snip intricate patterns, and reveal a delicate design perfect for hanging on the tree or in a window. For a more personalized touch, try crafting clay ornaments. Roll out the clay, use cookie cutters to shape stars, hearts, or gingerbread men, and punch a hole for hanging. After baking or air drying, paint each piece and finish with a shiny glaze. Felt ornaments are another favorite. Cut shapes like reindeer, stockings, and candy canes, then sew or glue them together, adding embroidery, buttons, and bows. These handmade treasures become keepsakes, each carrying memories of laughter and togetherness year after year. With the arrival of spring, Easter brings a sense of renewal in bright color. Decorating eggs is a beloved activity that blends tradition with contemporary flair. Begin by selecting eggs, hard-boiled for classic designs, or use hollowed eggshells for more delicate creations. The most traditional method is dyeing eggs in vibrant hues. Prepare cups of water, vinegar, and food coloring, and dip each egg, experimenting with layering colors or creating ombre effects. For a modern twist, try painting eggs with acrylics or watercolors, brushing on flowers, animals, or abstract designs. Add sparkle with metallic pens, glitter, or adhesive gems. For extra fun, wrap eggs in strips of fabric, lace, or washi tape, or create tiny scenes using stickers and miniatures. Once finished, display your decorated eggs in baskets or arrange them as a festive centerpiece. Each egg becomes a small work of art, reflecting the joy and renewal that Easter celebrates. Holiday crafts do more than fill spare time. They foster connection, ignite imagination, and create lasting memories. Whether you're making spooky masks for Halloween, sparkling ornaments for Christmas, or colorful eggs for Easter, each project is an invitation to slow down, savor the season, and celebrate the simple pleasures of creating by hand. These traditions remind us that the holidays are not just about decorations, but about the stories, laughter, and love we share while making them. So gather your supplies, invite your loved ones, and let your creativity shine, one holiday craft at a time.